lab-grown meat just crossed the price threshold that matters. For the first time, a pound of meat grown in a lab costs less than a pound of meat from a slaughtered animal. The trillion-dollar global meat industry will never be the same. The journey to this point has been remarkable. The first lab-grown burger, unveiled in 2013, cost roughly $300,000 to produce. It was a proof of concept, not a product. A decade of intense research and billions of dollars of investment have brought that cost down by a factor of more than 100,000. The current production cost, at scale, is now below $4 per pound for ground beef. That is cheaper than the average retail price of conventional ground beef in the United States. How is meat grown in a lab? The process starts with a small sample of animal cells, taken without harming the animal. These cells are placed in a bioreactor, a sterile tank filled with a nutrient-rich culture medium. The cells divide and grow, just as they would inside a living animal. Over the course of a few weeks, they form muscle and fat tissue that is, at the cellular level, identical to meat from a slaughtered animal. The final product cooks, tastes, and has the nutritional profile of conventional meat. It is conventional meat. It just never was part of a living animal. The implications extend far beyond price. Conventional meat production is one of the most resource-intensive industries on Earth. It consumes vast amounts of land and water. It is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. It requires the slaughter of tens of billions of animals annually. Lab-grown meat requires a fraction of the land and water, produces a fraction of the emissions, and involves no animal slaughter. The first products are already reaching consumers in select markets. A lab-grown chicken product was approved for sale in the United States last year. Lab-grown beef is available in Singapore. As production scales, these products will appear in grocery stores and restaurants worldwide. The conventional meat industry is not taking this quietly. Lobbying groups have pushed for labeling laws that would require lab-grown meat to be called something other than meat. They have argued for subsidies to protect traditional farmers. Some states have attempted to ban the sale of lab-grown meat entirely. But economics tends to win these battles. When a product is cheaper, better for the planet, and ethically cleaner, it eventually wins. The future of food is being grown in tanks right now. Stay fed with MCKAI.